Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, I'm outside, and it's starting to snow. As a little boy growing up in New York, it always snowed every winter because when it got cold, the little water droplets falling from the sky would turn into little white flakes, and they would pile up, and I would make a little snowman in the yard until my mother would take me inside and beat me. Anyway, I'm in Chicago now, and it's very cold and somewhat windy, and I don't like it one bit. So I'm going to go inside my kitchen, grab a knife, and I'm going to stab the clouds until they stop with all of this white snow that's falling. Okay, I think I'm done talking now. So, just a word to the blizzard that's coming. You stupid motherfucker, I'm going to kick your ass. Let's cue the intro and let's get this video rolling.
What's up, guys? Kippis here. It's January 30th, 2011. I'm standing on my balcony overlooking the South Loop of downtown Chicago. Supposedly we're getting a huge snowstorm this week, starting tomorrow afternoon, I believe. And we're supposed to be getting anywhere from 18 to 24 inches of snow towards the Chicago lakefront. So Lake Michigan is going to pound us with lake effect snow and all kinds of crazy stuff like that. So just getting a quick shot of my location before the snow starts falling here, and keep you guys up to date at what's going on in Chicago anyway. What's up, guys? Kippis here. It's January 31st, 2011, Monday night. Snow has started falling. It's falling rather heavily at the moment. It actually just started about 30 minutes ago, and we're already picking up some major snow on the roads. Looks like we're in for a pretty nasty snowstorm here. Still saying about 1.5 to 2 feet of snow, 18 to 24 inches from this blizzard, disgusting thing that's coming to kill us all in the next couple of days. What's going on down there? Stupid USPS. Whatever. And of course, if you can hear that, there go the sirens. Hey guys, Kippis here. It's just another quick update of the blizzard Snowmageddon 2011 here in Chicago, Illinois. It's about 8:30 p.m. and we've been having snow falling pretty heavily since about 3 o'clock this afternoon. A lot of the major universities, like UIC, where I go, has been shut down until Thursday. O'Hare is shut down, Greyhound is shut down, the Loop is shut down, and the roads are dead. So I guess everybody's actually taking a cue from severe weather and actually staying inside instead of trying to drive around like a bunch of gooks. That's what happens. Holy shit, what was that? Very rare occurrence indeed. I was lucky enough to actually capture that lightning on film, wherever the hell that was. Oh, there we go. Thunder snow. Scared me shitless. It's about midnight. This is going to be the last video I do tonight. Just a quick panning shot. I got about a visual of about a block or so before it just drifts out into orange nothingness. We're definitely in probably the worst part of the storm now. It's definitely more than a foot of snow on the ground by now. I haven't looked at the estimates, but it's definitely, it looks to be that way. The wind's been rather heavy. We had thunder snow several rounds of thunder snow, and I haven't seen a plow in over an hour now, so yeah. Last update for tonight. We'll see what happens when I wake up tomorrow morning with another video update. Peace out, guys.